So futures is another form of trading cryptocurrency, just like um sports or DeFi and the rest of it. But unlike sport, in sport trading, you buy a coin, you hold the coin, right? It's your own asset. You are holding the coin, you are buying it. If it goes up in price, you can sell, right? You can sell off anytime you want. But with futures, you are predicting the price movement of a particular coin. That is what you are predicting, that hey, this coin will go up, or this coin will go down. So it's like a gamble, right? So if you are longing, if you predict that the coin will go up and the coin goes up, you make profits. If you predict that the coin will go down, the coin goes down, you make profits. But if you predict that the coin will go up and it goes down, you will lose. And if you predict that the coin will go down and it makes profit, it goes up, you are going to lose, right? So what we actually trade in future is perpetual derivative, right? So for futures traders, if you're a newcomer in crypto, you don't have any business going to predict, because people that can comfortably predict futures are people who are very good in technical analysis. For this course, this video, I'll just be showing you how to place trades, not how to do technical analysis, right? Technical analysis is a course on its own. It's not something that you just come and start teaching you. No, it's a course. So but for people who already know technical analysis, or you have somewhere they are giving you signal, like in our community we normally give trading signals, right? You can now use the trading signals to enter the market, right? Now there are some major terms that you'll be coming across in your journey into futures. You'll be seeing things like a ranging market and a trending market. A trending market is when the market is going up or is going down, but a ranging market is going parallel. Is a market that's accumulating, right? A ranging market, a trending market is either going up, or it's either bullish or bearish. It's either trending up or trending down. But a ranging market is parallel. Longing or short, when they say long a coin, that means you are predicting that the coin will go up, right? When they say short a coin, you are predicting that the price of the coin will do what? Will go down, right? You will also see things like take profit or TP or stop loss or SL. Now, we set these things so that when we are not online, these trades can automatically trigger. For example, when you set a take profit, it means that if this coin goes to if I predict that this coin will go to a particular level, please, if I'm online or I'm not online, help me and take my profit. That's what it means. Maybe you are predicting that a coin will go to a particular place or get to a particular number, value, or figure, and the coin gets there. Maybe you're not online, right? You've missed that trade, or you've missed that profit. But you can set it and say, oh, if this coin goes to this particular place, whether I'm online or not, please take out this profit for me and lock my profits for me. Same thing with stop loss. For example, we all enter a trade to make profits, right? But what if the trade goes against us and we are losing? You now say, I'm losing money. Instead of me to know, I don't want to lose too much. Please, if I'm losing money to a particular amount, instead of me to lose too much, if it gets to a particular place, just cut my losses for me and bring out my trading capital. So that's why we said take profit and stop loss. We do take profit so that we can take our profits when we are not online, or we set stop loss so that if the trade is going against us, it can just stop the trade and reduce our loss, right? So you hear things like leverage and margin, right? So margin is more like the amount of money you are using to enter a market, right? The amount of money. Then leverage is the amount of money you want to borrow from the exchange, so you used to enter the market. That's the beautiful thing about futures. You can borrow money when trading futures. You can borrow, you see things like 10x, 20x, 50x, 25x. This is the amount of money you are borrowing to enter that trade. If you are doing 10x, right? So if you use a leverage of 10x now, for example, and your margin is maybe say $10, margin is the amount of money or USDT that you have, and you now use a leverage of 10x, you now say, oh, my money is $10, so but I'm using 10x leverage, meaning that 10 times 10, that is 100. That means the total money you use to enter a trade is $100. If you have $10 and you're using a leverage of 20x, it means that the money you have is 10 times 20, that is $200. The money you use to enter the market is $200. So it means that you make more profits when you use a higher leverage, but that's also the same way you make more loss. So if you are losing, you'll be losing times 10. If you are gaining, you're gaining times 10. So I advise newcomers to always use lower leverages, at least use less than 5 leverage as a newbie, so that if you are making more, fine. If you are losing, you will not be losing so much. You also be hearing things like liquidation occurs when your loss exceeds your initial trading capital. So maybe you enter a market with $5 and you are now losing, you now lose below $5, you will get liquidated. You lose your money. That's when you lose all your money. That's what liquidation is. But your exchange will always alert you before liquidation to either top up your account or set a stop loss, right? So there's so many strategies in making money in crypto. In being a good chartist or technical analyst, you must know how to understand the market, candlestick patterns, indicators. There's so many things, but let us go into the trade properly. So this is my Bybit interface. The first thing you would want to do is to transfer money from your spot wallet to your futures wallet. It can be from your spot wallet or from your funding wallet, wherever you have USDT, but you must transfer money from your funding wallet or from your spot wallet into your futures wallet. So I'll click on this place they wrote assets. Now, if you're using Binance, you see wallets, but because it's Bybit, they wrote assets. So click on this assets and click on transfer. So I'll click on this transfer. So I say transfer USDT. Are you saying from funding to derivative, or from fund, or you can click on this place wherever you have money. It can be from funding or from sports, all right, or anywhere, any of the wallets. But I have money in my funding, I have money in my sports, so I can choose any. See, I have $44 in my funding wallet. I have $16 in my sports wallet. I see $16 in my sports wallet. So let me use sports, right? Or let me use sports, or let me use funding. So I will now transfer to derivative. Remember, it's derivative. It's derivative, right? So USD, derivative account. Don't just derivative account. Then make sure it's in USDT, because USDT is what you have. So you click on max, and once you confirm, the money will not enter into your wallet, right? Good. That's the first step. So after transferring, the second step is to now go to your futures account or derivative account to enter a trade. So let's enter a particular trade. Let's look for a trade, right? So this is a trade. They say short GTC, right? So I'll come here and find the coin called GTC. GTC is the coin. So this place, I'll click on it and find GTC, right? I seen it. I'll click on it. So they say I should short GTC. So this is like the interface. This place they wrote charts and trade. Now this is the charts. Now these things you're seeing, this red and green thing you're seeing, are called candlestick. They use it to interpret trading signal. So this trading signal I just showed you now, there are people that interpret these things using candles. They use so many indicators to interpret and tell you whether the market will go up or market will go down, to predict the market. There are so many indicators, right? So this is just one of it. So I told you guys about a trending market. If the market is going up or going down, the market, as you can see, the market went up, is a trending market. Is a trend, is going up. If it's a ranging market, this thing now is a ranging market. It's just parallel. But I'm not here to teach you guys about technical analysis. I'm just here to show you how to enter a trade. So this is the GTs. I'm not here to teach you guys about technical and the rest. So all this thing I seen time here. You're seeing 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, 1 day is all representing this candlestick, right? But I'm not here to teach you guys technical analysis. I'm only here to show you how to enter a trade. Let's say that we have done our technical analysis and we tell you enter this trade. But it's very important to learn technical analysis, because sometimes we can give you a trade. It's best to, because if you give you a trade now and you don't enter at the right time, maybe we say long this coin and you saw the signal late. So instead of, and maybe the coin has finished long, it is now going there, you now want to go to long, you will now miss the trade and lose money. So it's better you know technical analysis so that you will know your entry point, when to enter the market, know when to take profit and everything. Is very, very important. So I'm going to click on this trade, right? So they say we should short the coin, right? So the entry, they say current market price. Sometimes the entry, they'll tell you enter at so market, sometimes they'll give you a number to enter with. But if they don't give you a number to enter with, they say, but this particular trade, they say you should enter at the current market. This is an old trade, so I'm just using this as an example. But if they give you a trade immediately, it's good to enter the trade immediately. So this is CMP, means current market price. Sometimes the entry point, they'll tell you enter this particular number, but for now they say enter with the current market price. So as you can see, this is the market price, right? This is the market. If this is the market, I say market. If they want you to enter the particular number, you will just come here and type and use maybe limits and put your order here. Put the order here, the price, the amount they want you to enter. But now they say enter the current market price. So I will just click here and leave it at market. So quantity, it depends on how much you want to use to enter the trade, right? I'll change this GTC now to USDT. Order by value, USDT, and I'll confirm. So how many USD do I want to use to enter this? How many USD do you want to use to enter this trade? So look at this place now. Just scroll. This is where you use, whether here or here. Okay, we've entered at the market price, right? Now the next thing you will do is to check for your leverage. Now look at this place they wrote here, cross 10x. Click on it. Now there are two types of leverage. Either you use isolated or cross. Now cross means that, okay, I am using this part, I have maybe $50 in my funding wallet to trade, but I'll only enter this trade with $10. But the market starts going against me. Please take out money from my other money in my funding and in my wallet and supplement this trade. Let me repeat myself. Let's say you have $44 in this your derivative wallet and you just have it. But it's not a must that because you have $44, you use all the whole $44 to trade. You may choose to use only $5 or $10 to enter this particular trade. So what will you do? If you are using cross, if you're using the cross, it means that if you enter this trade with $10 and the trade starts going against you, please take out more money from my account and supplement this trade so that I may not lose money. But you know, it can neither go here nor there. But isolated means that, please, I know I have $44 in this my derivative account, but I'm only using $5 to trade. Even if the trade is going against me, please don't touch my other money. That is what isolated means, right? So for beginners, I would just say use isolated though, so that you will not go and lose your money. So this place they wrote leave 10x. Now you can change it to 10x or 12x, any x you want to do. Remember, the more the x, the more the leverage. Now I want to use $5 to enter this trade. Now if I choose 10x, it means that 5 times 10, I'm entering this trade with $50. But the same way the trade start going against me, it means that I'll be losing by that same 10x. So be vigilant. So I normally advise newcomers start with 3x to 5x, right? You save. Don't be too greedy, right? Isolated though. Then This quantity now, GTC now, please change it to USDT. It's always good to change it to USD. You can use GTC, but change it to USDT, and then you confirm. Then, which quantity of USDT do you want to use? Please don't go and type here the other value. Don't type it. Just come here and slide. Are you using 10% of your money? Remember, I have $14 in this account, so I may want to use just 25% of my money. 25% of my money is around $5. No, it's around $3 to $4, right? But they gave me 10 USDT here because I'm using a 3x leverage, right? So I'm using a 3x leverage and I have $14. If I use all of them, they will be giving me 42. That is 14 times 3 will give me 42. But I want to use just few, maybe $10, 25% of them my 40. I'm using 25% of that my $14 to enter this trade, right? So the next thing is TP and SL, take profit or stop loss. Now for take profit, they gave you a take profit. So they gave you take profit 1 or take profit 2. Anyone you want to choose, you put it there. So I will just choose take profit 1 or 1.2, right? So I'll come here and put 1.2. This way they will take profit trigger 1.2. So stop loss now. What's the trigger price? Say stop loss 1.310. So 1.310. So that is it. You can choose to adjust it from here. You can just type it if you want. 1.310. 1.310. Okay. This is your stop loss. So once you finish, they say you should short the coin. So I'll click on short. Are you seeing short? And I will confirm. Once I confirm, that is it. To enter the trade will enter. Let me show you how you close it. Though this is a past trade, so I may lose money in this trade now, but let me just enter it. See, stop loss is higher than, so let me confirm. So after you finish confirming, you come to this place and still click on sell or short. You confirm, right? So the trade has entered. Are you seeing my trade here? Are you seeing my trade? So I can choose to cancel this trade now if I want. I can choose to, let me go to position. I clicked on this position. This is my position. This place the word position. And once you click on it, you see how your trade is going. See now, let us see now. Are you seeing it's still at 0.000? So let us wait. You see it has moved to 1.36%. If it's moving up, it means I'm making profit. If it starts going down, it means I'm going low. If it starts doing red, it means I'm losing. So this 1.36% now is how many percentage profit I'm making. Then that 0.04 is the amount of USDT I've made in profits because it's in green. If it's in red now, you start seeing minus. See, it's in 0.00 now. It's neutral. It's neutral. If I'm losing now, you see to turn red. This unrealized P and L, profit and loss. Unrealized P and L means profit and loss. Then know that I will see liquidation price here. You can keep adjusting your stop. If maybe now you feel that the thing is going up or going down, you can come here to adjust your position. This partial position, you can come here to adjust it. Adjust your stop take profit. Sometimes they'll tell you, if you're in the trade, they'll tell you adjust or take profit, they'll adjust your stop loss. You can always come here to adjust, even as the trade is going. You can always adjust your your trade, right? So that is about it. If the trade start going against me, this place they vote unrealized P and L will turn red. So if the thing gets to your take profit position, you will see the trade will automatically end and give you your profit. If you are in loss and you want to close the trade, or you are in profit, or you felt you've taken enough profit and you want to close the trade, or you've lost enough money, you want to manually close the trade by yourself, you just come to this place they vote close by. You close, you confirm, you've closed the trade has ended, right? So that's how to do a futures trade. You come out to your money, you can choose to send the money back to your spot wallet and use peer-to-peer P2P to cash it as cash and go and sell your profits, right? So that's about it.